Sister, please, take care of my baby. Ugh, why do I have to do this for you? You go after random guys, and I have to take the burden for you? I'm sorry, but I don't have any money to take care of her. Come here, eat this. Mama! Don't call me mom. I'm not your mom, and I'll never be. Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Mom.
Let's head back inside. Hey, I'm here to take back my daughter. What? Take her back? Yeah, what's wrong? Okay. Honey, I made your favorite.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, I miss her.
Mom!
Wait, you came